how to use Face ID to download apps on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, today I'm going to teach you how can you use Face ID to download apps in just a few simple steps. So, first things first, open up the settings on scroll down until you find Face ID and passcode. Tap on it. You'll need to enter your passcode here. And once you've done that, here you'll see iTunes and App Store. Make sure you toggle it on. You'll have to sign in to your Apple ID to enable the Face ID. So once you have entered your password, go back to App Store. Search for the app that you want to download and then tap on Get. Now you can see that you have to double click to install and the Face ID will be scanned. And there you go. This is how you enable Face ID to download apps on iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.